should be able to stand the machine up now. It's heavy now. Hopefully nothing catastrophic happens. It's heavy. Whoa, what did I hit? Okay, no, it's fine. It was just the wheels. Nothing to worry about. Oh man, it's standing. Boy, do I miss this. Look at that. Suspension test. Feels pretty good. Welcome to the first drivetrain test with the Champion washing machine. I apologize for the bad lighting. That is because I have had to position the unit next to the nearest power plug, and that is away from my lighting sources. I disabled the lid switch here. I just got something keeping the switch closed, and that's also not touching anything. Run all the way down here. Just for my safety, I have also connected up the earth wires. There's also earth wires on the side of the leg of the tub. And the capacitor is in place. The order of the wires, sorry about the lighting, it's yellow, white, purple, blue, and then at the far corner there it's black. So, you know, this machine has got, I've already wiggled the tub around to make sure that there are no obvious issues. The suspension is fine. The brakes are fine. And the only thing that the agitator tube's not on, but that's not going to make a difference because when this machine is spinning, this whole thing will not be moving. It's just going to all spin with the tub. If you don't know, this is my first attempt, so I'm quite nervous. And yeah, that's why it's taking me so long. But without further delay, I'm going to get my headphones on. It's just a safety precaution. Okay, we're going to pop the timer out. The last thing to do is turn on the wall. What happened there? Okay. Machine is off at the wall. Just for my safety, I'm going to unplug it. I see what happened. That got quite stuck on the... Oh, I better mess that up. Alright, here we are at take 2, and I've got the agitator tube installed this time, so that little gear handle thing won't fly away when it's braking and get stuck again. But I don't know what that mysterious screeching sound was, so I guess we'll see if it does it again, because I'm going to try one more time before I call it a night, just so that I have a video that doesn't go bad like the last one. So yeah, we're gonna give it another go. Off at the wall, on at the plug, and here we go again. that? Did that turn off at the wall? Yeah, it did. So it didn't go away. The difference is this time it stayed, the sound stayed the entire time, not just when it was at speed. Which begs the question, where did it come from? After thorough review, I determined that the vibration was coming from the motor backplate. And so what I did to solve that was I just sandwiched something between the two plates, and it should run fine now. So yeah, this is going to be take 3 of the Champion drivetrain test. Here we go. Much better. Okay, it has a few rattles. Sorry, that's just the timer. Obviously, it wanted to do the brake test by itself. Stop. I guess that's it. Yeah, that's all, because it doesn't spin super smoothly, because I think what it is there's a bearing inside of the brake cone. I've shown it before. I think that is a bit rough. But yeah, I think the sleeve bearings are fine because I really polished those fine. And yeah, they shouldn't be causing any issues. But yeah, I didn't do anything to the bearing inside the brake cone, so maybe that's a bit rough. But I'm fine with that. And who knows, maybe after a couple of cycles it might fix itself. And yeah. But more or less this thing is working, so I guess we'll do, I'm not sure what would be next.